Make a change by helping your car's engine perform efficiently with the new air filter from Filterheads.com.
To access the air filter, first open the hood. The air filter is located here. There are two fasteners securing the housing. Disconnect the sensor by pressing the back tab down and pulling backwards. Disengage the fasteners. Use a flathead screwdriver to loosen the air hose clamp. Pull the air hose back to disengage it with the filter housing. Tuck it if needed. Lift the housing and remove the old filter. Remove any debris in the housing. Install your new AF3139 filter into the housing. When reinstalling the housing cover, slide it down and flush it with the filter to slide the bottom tabs into their catch. The fasteners will not fully re-engage unless the tabs are inside the catch. Slide the air hose back onto the filter housing. Retighten the hose clamp. Re-engage the fasteners. Close the hood. Visit our website to order your filter to ensure that it fits.